Creating videos doesn't have to be complicated anymore. Today, we're exploring an AI platform that makes professional video production fast and simple. Whether you're working on social media content, marketing, or personal projects, this tool has everything you need. The website link is in the description, so you can check it out as we go through this walkthrough together. Let's start with the website. On the homepage, you'll see the main tools clearly displayed. To get started, just register by entering your email, setting a password, and confirming your account. The sign-up process is quick. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, which offers several powerful features. AI video generator with Veo3 model, the flagship tool for creating high-quality professional videos with just text or ideas. AI music generator, upgraded to version 5.0. Create background music that perfectly matches your video style. Text-to-speech. Instantly convert your script into natural-sounding voiceovers. Voice cloning. Generate a custom AI voice that sounds just like you or your brand's preferred style. These tools together form a complete creative suite, but the heart of this platform is the AI video generator powered by the Veo3 model. Let's dive deeper. Inside the AI video generator, the workflow is designed to be beginner-friendly yet powerful. Here's how it works step by step. Choose a template. Start with a pre-made style, such as a promo video, tutorial, or social media short. Enter your script or prompt. You can either paste a full script if you already have one, or simply type in a short prompt like "Create a 30-second product ad for a smartwatch." Hit the Generate button, and within minutes, the Veo3 model processes everything into a polished, ready-to-share video. Now let's look at why this tool is a real time saver. Traditionally, creating a professional video requires filming, voiceovers, editing, and hours of adjustments. With the Veo3 model, all of that is automated. Here, you start with the image-to-video option. Simply upload a photo. This could be a product image, a brand logo, or even a personal picture. For example, let's upload a photo of a deer standing next to a man. Once uploaded, you'll see several customization options. AI image and effects. Enhance your visuals or add creative effects. For example, you could apply a nature cinematic style to make the scene more dramatic. Standard quality. Keep rendering fast and simple with the default quality. Aspect ratio. Select the format you need, like vertical for TikTok, square for Instagram, or widescreen for YouTube. Here you can type something like, "Create a short cinematic video, showing a calm moment of a man standing with a deer in the forest, with gentle camera movement and soft background music." Finally, click Generate, and within minutes, the AI transforms your still photo into a moving, professional video. This way, even a single static image can become a compelling story. It's perfect for marketers turning product photos into ads, educators making visual explanations, content creators bringing personal or stock images to life. And here's something you shouldn't miss. The platform is celebrating its anniversary until October 24th, with giveaways and discounts of up to 70%. I've added the event link in the description so you can take advantage of this special offer while it lasts. Before we wrap up, I want to share something exciting. Just yesterday, Top Media introduced a brand new feature called Nano Banana, and it's really impressive. I've added the link in the description, so make sure to check it out. So that's a full walkthrough of the platform, from registration to the dashboard, and a deep dive into the AI video generator with Veo3 model. We also looked at how it works step by step and how it saves time for anyone who creates content. If you'd like to try it yourself, check out the links in the description. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and tutorials.